house.
How much are you going to ask for him?
So this is the wedding planning area. So originally we bought this. Do you like my pajamas? We bought this and basically I accidentally bent it. So anyway, so I bought a new card, which is probably easier to actually make stuff. I don't want to ruin my floors, so I bought this cutting mat. Lala has something similar growing up, so it reminds me of my childhood. This pink little gun, I have one already in Edinburgh that I bought during the wedding, but I don't have time to go to Edinburgh. And then a sticker, which would have been fine for this, but a wee bit small for this. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. This tool set for making the floral garments for my sister-in-law and her husband. Traditions, Barbie traditions. So I'm going to DIY that. So, and then I've got these needles as well. This one's quite a thick needle. It was hard to find, but I managed to find it. The beads for the floral garland, flowers, and lots of flowers. You're not supposed to do it this fast, but my husband thinks he's a pure scientist because you tell me a story about some scientist. You want to tell the camera your story, mate?
No, people won't understand. I'm not calling people dumb or anything.
You call humans dumb. You
Humans?
calling my followers dumb.
No.
Yes, you are.
I'm just dumb.
Yes. We can agree on. Oh, it looks really good. I'm quite.
What's this? This is your nail polish?
I don't know. Remember how I said, oh, there's
That's
some.
your blood.
From what?
From your diabetes test.
Oh, sorry. Well, there's a wee bit of DNA for you there, Apple.
Oh, it's not too bad.
I think I quite like it. Thanks, mate.
You can do the other ones? Yeah?
Why do you not trust me?
No, so you can do the other ones.
Why you do it?
Why?
Because I'm too lazy. No, they don't know.
Potato.
Anyway.
Oh, that's recording your whole body and faring welling?
What did you say?
I didn't mean to say that.
Mate, I need to see it, eh? Please, don't be so annoying. Looks good. It looks super duper good, no? Why are you not impressed? Oh, maybe it should have been Rosie's Mehndi further out. I told you so.
And it's squint.
Is it? Let me see. Shut up.
The Mehndi, look.
Where?
Look at the Mehndi and Rosie.
It's not that bad, man.
Can you not tell?
No, nobody's gonna tell. Because this video's gonna go up after. And can you show them the malas I did? This is the finished look. I'm so happy with it. So originally I had bought this size. Let me show you guys. This size. So this was a small size. And I knew it was going to be too small, so I ordered a bigger size, which was extremely large. So I actually supposed to say Rosie's Mehndi, but obviously there's no space. So I've just put Rosie's Mehndi 10th February 2018. So the smaller one cost, this is from Smarty Walls. It's actually meant to be for the walls. But I thought I'd DIY and not use it for walls. Anyway, it's let's have a look. It's £10.50, a £2.50 delivery charge, and the big one is £17.50, so £15 with £2.50 delivery charge. So it's actually not too bad if you just want to do it yourself. There's loads of companies available that you can actually get this made. I will link them below, or if you follow me on Snapchat, I've mentioned her company before. But anyway, basically what was I spraffing on about? Yeah, so you can get it already made if you don't have the time and energy, but I thought I'd DIY this to save not too much money but a wee bit money, and make it personalised, because then my sister-in-law will know her baby did it and not just a company, so she can keep forever. She better keep this forever. But yeah, hope you guys like. That's my tea.
Where? Here?
Tea really wanted these for our wedding time, but they're so bloody fresh. You look like you're from Bangladesh. Shut up, you're absolutely retarded sometimes. Anyway, I made these.
They're very nice.
Thanks. I made these all by myself. Can you be more impressed by your talented wife, please?
I was already impressed before, and now I have to do a fake one.
What's that supposed to mean?
Because I was already genuinely impressed. I can't be double impressed.
Alright, I thought you were saying that you're not
Why
impressed.
is this other one shorter than the other one?
Why do you need to tell everybody my imperfections? Basically, I did this one first.
Yeah.
Right? And this bit here, like basically the joints of it. And then it didn't look like, it doesn't flow as naturally, right? And then this second one, because it was my second attempt,
You put the beads.
yeah, and it looks nicer because it doesn't look as squashed as this one. Look how squashed this one is, and look how airy-fairy this one is. So anyway, it's all trial and error, but in photos you won't be able to tell.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice belly.
Thanks.
How many months?
5.
5? Sure.
Yeah.
How many months?
Okay, maybe 8.
Mate, I'm being serious. You don't even know how many months I am.
What? Is that what you're asking me?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
No, that's a test. Now tell me how many months I am.
7.
How many weeks am I?
30.
Oh, 10 points.
I know everything.
Whatever. Bye.
Yep. Okay. Oh, the rings, guys. Somebody grab the rings.
Right.
Okay, you know, in my room. So you know. Oh, I don't know if someone's in there.
I just want to let it go. You go away with that.
I'm forgot Lacey.
The video is in it.
जी तो वीडियो तो
Huh?
जी
देख रहा है वो खाटमान ने
जी मैं we put up.
You need to get scissors. Where's the scissors?
I've got it in the door.
वो मारे ना
Shritti lagi.
Indian.
We put up. We put up.
मारे बनते
मारे ऊपर भी चमके वो इधर तुम्हारे साथ है
Hello Sati.
ও আচ্ছা এটি তুলরাই আর ওকে একবার তোর খালারে দিলে ও হান্দা নষ্ট টয় করে বার করতেছে